How to create a new account. To create a new account, click on the Create Account option on the top. This will open up the Create New Account form. On this form, you can enter all the information about the new account that you have collected. An account is a customer with whom you're already doing business. First thing you need to enter is the company name, followed by the first name, the last name, and their title. If you have a source from where you met this account, you can select it from the drop-down list. If you have an industry for this particular account, you can also select it from the drop-down list. An administrator can modify the source and industry options under the Preferences tab. Category and references 1 through 5 are open fields that may be used to filter and group accounts based on specific keywords. For example, you may enter wholesale under category to identify this account as a wholesale account, or retail to identify them as a retail account. This will allow you to later filter by category and group them together as wholesale or retail. If you sell products and services, you may choose a level of pricing under Price Code. You may create up to 4 levels of pricing for your products and services through the Products tab. Your default selection will be used when generating quotes and invoices for this account. Next, you may choose the default terms of payment for this account from the drop-down list. An administrator can create additional payment terms under the Preferences tab. If you have a default sales tax for this particular account, you can enter it here. You can also enter a default discount to be applied when creating quotes and invoices. You may also set a credit limit amount for this account. To the right, you have a drop-down for Type, which allows you to revert an account back to a lead if you need to do so. Next, you may enter their phone number, an alternate number such as a 1-800 number, their fax number, and a mobile number. If they have a website, you may enter their URL address here, and most importantly, their main email address. You may also enter a secondary email address if any. CRMBOOST will always use the first email entered to automatically send out email blasts and email campaigns. The secondary email is only for reference purposes. Next, you may enter their billing address and a shipping address if different. If you have any initial comments, go ahead and enter them under Notes. Finally, scroll back up and click the Save button to save this account. If you have additional accounts to enter, you may click the Save and New button, which will save this information and open up the same form so you may create the next one. Let's go ahead and click Save. You will get a confirmation that the account was successfully created. This is how you create a new account.